What's up, family? What is the one thing that Amazon Relay loves to do? Cancel loads. So what I did this week, I booked 9 loads. We're going to see if I can actually run every last single one of these loads. I pretty much booked 2 loads per day, except one day. I think it's Saturday, coming up this Saturday. And we're gonna see if I can actually book all 9 loads. And guess what? I'm gonna do a giveaway if they cancel one of my loads. I think this is gonna be interesting. Let's go.
It's Bigg Vic TV. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. It's Bigg Vic TV. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is good, family? Yo, we back. Day 2, actually load 2. Day 1, sorta, kinda. So we had a Sunday that ran into a Monday, and we are about to get this truck ready, do this pre-trip. I gotta put some transmission fluid in here, so, and get ready to run over to Columbia and bring this load back to Charlotte, and then I am done for the day. Good, y'all, was good. Yo, we up super early today. It is 3:35. I'm up here at KCLT getting loaded, about to take this to West Columbia. And I have a poster truck order in just in case when I get to Columbia, they may possibly have something coming back to Charlotte. So that's something else that you guys can do. You guys can post your truck when you're on the way to, like, say, your drop off, especially if you know there's Amazons in the city you're going to, just in case they do have some freight that needs to go back to the city you're coming from. So that's a hint, clue for some of y'all that's still new, trying to figure out this whole Amazon Relay thing. So what's good, y'all? Rich Rising for y'all that's just jumping up. We out here in Columbia, South Carolina right now. Anytime you run an Amazon Relay, y'all, listen to me. Listen to me very, very well. Whatever area you are at, whatever area you're located in, the goal should always be, you find a load that's one way, try to make sure that load is covering you, going both ways. I can't say it enough. But if you catch your load board when they first drop the loads, look at all the loads that come out. And if you have a lot of Amazon facilities, you know, within a 100-mile radius of you, 120, something like that, just look and see what goes from where you're at to another Amazon location. Then see what leads from that Amazon location or in that area going back to your home location. That should be your game plan 95% of the time, so that you can get one going and one coming back, period. If you don't see one coming back, especially like today, I'm about to jump on DAT load board and see what's leaving out of Columbia, possibly going to Charlotte or just somewhere in that vicinity. While I'm out here, I'm gonna get an oil change, get the yearly inspection done, and I'm gonna get the truck washed today. This should be a game plan. This should be a game plan every single time, so that you don't have to deadhead back home as many, you know, saying that much. You know, every now and again you may have to deadhead back, but if you run enough loads that are profitable this way, one load running back is, you shouldn't lose too much gas or burn too much fuel, especially if it's like under 100 miles, you know, 100-mile radius. So just something to keep in mind for y'all that's brand new, that's jumping in this business right here, and, you know, just still trying to figure things out. Of course, you got the option to tap into the course now. I gotta throw the plug in. Y'all know I gotta throw that plug in real quick. sixfigureboxtruckbiz.com. Or if you need a little more hand holding, you know what I'm saying, a little stronger game plan, holla at me. Mentorship program. We'll probably be closing down my mentorship program, probably the end of September. I'm gonna leave it open until then. So if you wanna jump on board, jump on board. You know, if not, get the course. I still do live Zooms with my course members. You know, we chop it up in there. I like to see how everybody's business is going. If anybody has questions, I answer those. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm out here getting it right now. I'm working, you know, getting a little something. Keeping the wheels spinning. That's how you stay winning. All right, I'm gonna see you on a second. Let's get it, let's go. Let's eat, y'all. Well, we got it cleaned up today. We about to get these, put some wet on these tires so we can get on up out of here. Well, she just got a bath today, y'all. She ready to eat. She ready to roll now. Trying to get back to the money. I'm really interested in seeing if I could pull these 9 loads off this week without them getting canceled. Let's see how this go, y'all. I'm excited. Don't fail me, Amazon. Don't fail me. What's good, family? We up early AM. We trying to knock out this round robin. It's 3:47-ish, 3:50-ish right now AM. We're at KCLT in Charlotte, and we're headed to Columbia, West Columbia, to drop off. Then we're picking up again on the other side of West Columbia. Actually, at my old location where I used to always frequent. By my house, by my old house. We're going to pick up from there after we drop off. I'll be hanging out over there for a few hours or so in Columbia until my load is ready. Hopefully, nothing gets canceled. Out here in Columbia right now, y'all. Waiting to get, gotta pick up at 12:30. Pick up this other bag. Head back to Charlotte. Yeah, I'm done for the day. What's good, y'all? So look, we are in Columbia, West Columbia. I am just pulled up. I'm getting loaded, which is a good sign. Boys will cancel your load in a minute. Y'all know how y'all already know how Amazon play games with people. We locked this in. It's our second load for the day. Taking us back to KCLT, the airport in Charlotte, where I originally picked up my first load. So this is gonna be 2 for the day. They did not cancel either of these 2 loads. I'm surprised. But yeah, that's what it is. That's what we doing. Stick around, see how this go. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's eat.